बिरेस्तारा सांजे 6 वरांचेर वेर्णा पुलिशेन क्विनी नगर सर्कला कडेन रेड मारली. ह्या छाप्यात पुलिशेन अनुप अशोक जयस्वाल ह्या 19 वर्साच्या तरणाट्याक ताब्यात घेतला आनी मुंबईच्या दोगा बायलांची सुटका केल्या. ह्या केशीत वेर्णा पुलीस फुडलो तपास करतात म्हण म्हायती वेर्णा पीआय निनाद देऊलकार हांणी दिल्या. RDX गोवा खातीर वेर्णाच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
Based on the specific information that we had information that Sankol area there are prostitution activities are going on. So accordingly we laid a trap and yesterday we have rescued 2 females from northern India and we have arrested one Anup Jaiswal, 19 years, who is from basically from Maharashtra, Mumbai. We have also booked him under section 370 IPC and 370A into bracket 2 and sections of Immoral Traffic Prevention Act. Presently the accused is in custody and further investigation is going on.